Welcome to the Winterfest Wonders of Light. Check this guys out. This is so cool. I'm like going into the winter wonderland.
I had a dream last night. You were by my side at that special time of year.
Check this out, guys. This is cool.
I woke up to the snow, merry songs on the radio. I turned around and there you were, my dear. And now that I'm here with you, I know my dream
Check this out, guys. Here's twinkly lights. Hello, twinkly lights.
Baby, come close to me. I want the world to see me kiss you under the Christmas lights. You're always gonna have my heart, and we'll never be apart as I hold you under the Christmas lights here tonight.
Squirrels.
When you
Squirrel!
go away, I think about you every day, 'cause I'll always want you here, my dear.
Look at that. What is it? I got no idea. I'm guessing a caterpillar is about to turn into a beautiful little butterfly.
My dream.
Here, butterfly. Which way do I go? There's two roads. We're gonna go for the more colorful road. This way. No. Look, they only put lights halfway up the tree. Look at the bridge. It's all covered in lights too. That's cool. To go into the tunnel of glitter. Look at all the lights. The tunnel of lights. Wahaha. Look at them all. That's cool. Oh, this is cool though. Mushroom. I like this one. I don't know what it is, but I like it. It's like something out of Avatar. Ooh, different color one. You know, those plants remind me of the Avatar movie. Especially the blue ones. Look at this crazy one. That's cool. Neat. Froggy. Look, he's a froggy. I don't know what he's doing, reading a book